Jellyfish, some of the most mesmerizing creatures in the ocean. They've been drifting through the seas for over 500 million years, long before dinosaurs walked the earth. With their graceful pulses and glowing bodies, jellyfish are both alien and beautiful. Among the most impressive are the giant jellyfish. The lion's mane jellyfish, for example, can grow over 2 meters wide, with tentacles stretching more than 30 meters, longer than a blue whale. In Japan and China, the Nomura's jellyfish is another true giant, weighing up to 200 kilograms. These massive creatures drift slowly, but their size makes them impossible to ignore. Seen up close, their details are extraordinary. Their tentacles can deliver painful stings, but they also serve as vital shelters for tiny fish and other sea life that hide among them. For all their size and power, jellyfish are still fragile drifters, moving with the ocean currents. Not all jellyfish are giants. The cap jellyfish, also called the cannonball jellyfish, is small and round, like a floating helmet. Found in warm coastal waters, it feeds on plankton and provides an important food source for sea turtles. Its sting is mild to humans, but its role in the ocean ecosystem is huge. From giants that rival whales to small but vital species like the cap jellyfish, these mysterious drifters remind us just how diverse and important ocean life truly is. The next time you see a jellyfish, remember, it carries a story millions of years in the making.